Another chilly morning, not as bad though as yesterday. Once we get hiking and get going, it'll feel pretty good.
Really nice people in the shelter last night. We had Hoover, Deep Stuff, and Greg in the shelter, and Grindstone camped outside in a tent.
We have a mountain to climb today. There it is, going up. Still icicles on the trail. But look at this. Right in the middle of the rock. That's the trail. It's marked on the rock. Made it to the top of our climb. Rewarded with a little bit of a view here. I wonder what lives in there. It's been an uphill climb all the way. With views. That was the first mountain we climbed today. We're not even to mile 3 yet. And we are in the middle of climbing this mountain. Way up there. That looks like bear fur. And there's some more over here. Right there. The mountain we climbed. And tons of other mountains as far as you can see. And the Appalachian Trail right there. Sorry, I'm out of breath. We're climbing mountains today. That's the trail. Still going up. Feel the burn. Steeper than it looks. But what a view. Very steep. Sassafras Mountain is over 4,000 feet tall. Lots of rocks. Big step. We are going downhill finally. This is good. Yeah, I hear a road too. We just came down this. It's still pretty cold. There's still some ice on the trail. Not a lot. It's just a little bit over freezing, so the ice is starting to melt finally. Third mountain of the day, starting our climb from Gooch Gap up Gooch Mountain. And we are aiming for Gooch Mountain Shelter, which is a little over 3 miles away. We're trying to take it easy on early on, just so we don't blow out knees or anything else. So this would be about an 8-mile day, an easy 8-mile day. But, well, the mountains made it a little less easy. 3 mountains.
we just ran into Melissa and her husband day hiking. They watch our channel already, and they actually recognize us. That is the first time that's ever happened. Shout out to Mrs. Fagan's chemistry class at Chestatee High School in Gainesville, Georgia. She is a chemistry teacher. So we appreciate all the kids watching too.
Love these icicles. It looks like tiny ferns. And just like that, everything changes. Mountain laurel tunnels. And I hear water running somewhere. It's down there. You can just barely see it through the trees. There's a little river down there, a stream. It's probably our next water source. But going down into these valleys is nice going downhill, but then you figure, well, I probably got an uphill on the other side. We've done 3 mountains today. We're doing good. Heading down to the little creek. It's so pretty down here. Coming downstairs, and here's the stairs. We're coming downstairs like this, but those are on the other side. You see where we have to go up the mountain again. Big steps. Go around here. This is how we filter water. We get some water out of the creek and we put the filter on the bottle. The filter's the little blue piece there in the middle. And then you just squeeze the upper bottle and it goes through the filter down into your clean water bottle. Very simple. More green tunnel, isn't this pretty? Maybe we'll see a bear. We're really hoping we see one at a safe distance. I was trying to figure this out. I think I did. It looks like there's an old dead tree that the other tree grew around at some point, and now it's decomposing. Coming up out of Gooch Gap. We're actually on Gooch Mountain now. We thought the last mountain we climbed was Gooch Mountain, but they saved one more for us. And this is really beautiful. Worth the climb for sure. All these thickets of mountain laurel, just beautiful. And it hasn't been a bad climb either. Just some stairs at the beginning. This is really gradual uphill. I hope you can see how shiny this mica is. It's just beautiful. See if I can get it to glitter for you. The whole rock is so glittery. It's a blue tree. Actually just the moss growing on it, I guess, but it's pretty. We're here. Here's the shelter and water sign for Gooch Mountain Shelter, and we can see the shelter from here. It's not too far off the trail. You can see the blue blazes. That tells us that we are getting off the Appalachian Trail. Those blazes are white. So all the shelters have blue blazes to get to them, so you know that you're off the trail. Here are the bear cables. You hook your backpack or your bear bag to those little things there and just pull them up. And then you hook it to these cables on the trees and let that cable loose when you want to get your bear bag back down from the cable there. Did that make sense? I feel like I'm rambling. I'm tired. And right behind it is the bear box. I'll show you this. It's a really heavy metal box that you can store your food in. And then it's got a latch right here with a chain to keep the bears from opening it up. Food storage only. This is not a trash can. Pack out your trash. Yeah, we have to carry out all of our trash. There are no trash cans or anything at these shelters. But we're really happy to have the bear boxes and the bear cables. It makes it very safe. And here's the shelter. A nice little fire area.
There's not our guy and we, oh, sorry.
Some tent spots. They're a little bit on a slant right here, but there's probably some others, looks like over here. And the water and privy sign is over here. Okay, this is the shelter. And I'll kind of show you all of our stuff. We have somebody else here with us. There are stairs going up to a loft up there. And stairs on this side. And there's our stuff. In case you're wondering how we cook food, this is the way we do it. This is a Pocket Rocket Deluxe by MSR. And this will hold my pot. And most of the meals we just use water, boil water, and then rehydrate them. So put that on there. And you spin it real fast so that the gas doesn't leak out. And pour water we got from the creek earlier. Usually it takes about 1.5 cups or 2 cups to rehydrate one of these meals. And I don't know if you can see it right here. There's a little latch that goes down and that lights it. It's got a little automatic lighter in it. So just turn on the gas and then hit it once. There it is. It's on. And this goes on top of it. And then I turn it up a little bit. And it'll cook pretty fast. Is it boiling yet? Once it boils, just turn it off. And then the extra use for bandanas is grabbing your pot and dumping it into your mountain goose meal. And this is dinner. It's still rehydrating. It's not done yet. With a long-handled spoon in there so you can reach down to the bottom. Beef stroganoff. I added a little bacon to it.